Hello, students. So today we are going to start the numerical portion of the national income. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to tell you the formulas. Okay. So we are having three formulas for methods for calculating national income. The first one is the value-added method. Second one is the this income method, and third one is the expenditure method. First, we are starting with the value-added method. So the value added method means the value added by each stage by a producer. Okay, suppose if a producer is producing the goods, and the raw material which he is using, that will be subtracted. Okay, so first of all, the component of the value added method is value of output. This value of output is calculated as sales plus change in stock. Okay, sales plus change in stock. Change in stock means closing stock minus opening stock. Okay? So the value of output minus intermediate consumption, यानी कि जितना भी उस कमोडिटी को प्रोड्यूस करने में खर्चा लगा है, आप उसको माइनस कर देंगे किसमें से, वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट में से, जिसको हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे सेल्स में चेंज इन स्टॉक को जोड़ करके. इसके बाद में हमारे पास में आएगा ग्रॉस वैल्यू एडेड एट मार्केट प्राइस, क्योंकि ये जो सब सेल्स होती है मार्केट प्राइस पर होती है. इसमें इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस जुड़े हुए होते हैं और सब्सिडीज नहीं होती है, वो हमें काम बाद में करना है, उसको जोड़ना है. नाउ दिस इज ग्रॉस वैल्यू एडेड मार्केट प्राइस. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डेप्रिसिएशन फ्रॉम दिस. व्हाई डेप्रिसिएशन इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड? बिकॉज depreciation is applied on the fixed assets, and whenever we are producing the goods, the fixed assets are used up. So depreciation, the concept of depreciation should be subtracted. So we have subtracted this depreciation, and we will get the net value added at the market price. After net value added market price, what we will subtract? Net indirect taxes. Okay, this is the portion from which we get from subtracting indirect taxes minus subsidies, because the government wants that the taxes which the government is taking should not be added in the national income. So that's why government subtract these indirect taxes and ought to add the subsidies. This minus and minus becomes plus. So subsidies will be added. So this way formula becomes indirect tax minus subsidies, that comes out as NIT, and that will be subtracted. Okay. Now we will get net value added at the factor cost after subtracting this NIT from the net value added market price, and there we get the national income. So this is the first method for calculating the value added method. First method. The other method is now income method. Okay, income method means where the people are earning the income. The first component of income method is the compensation of employees, means जितना लोग अपनी मेहनत से पैसा कमाते हैं वो यहाँ पर आता है. इसके दो कंपोनेंट है, वेजेस एंड सैलरीज प्लस एम्प्लॉयर्स कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू द सोशल सिक्योरिटी स्कीम. व्हाट इज दिस? This is the portion which the people of the formal sector gets only. Okay, there are two types of sector working in the country: formal sector and the informal sector. The formal sector people have all the pension facilities, security benefits, health benefits, but the people working in the informal sector are not having such kind of benefits. Formal sector is a sector in which more than 10 people are engaged and all are having the job security. Okay, now if the person is working in this formal sector, then the employer's contribution will be there. And if a person is not working in the private sector, then what will happen? That only the wages and salaries will be there. Okay, so if it is given employer's contribution, then you will take. If it is not given, you will not take. Okay, so compulsion of employees comes at wages and salaries plus employer's contribution to the social security scheme. The next one component is the mixed income of the self employed, यानी कि जो लोग अपने बिजनेस में अपने ही पत्नी को, बेटे को अपने उसमें लगाते हैं, या अपने रिसोर्सेज यूज़ कर रहे हैं, अपनी ज़मीन पे काम कर रहे हैं, प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं, अपनी कैपिटल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, वो सब कुछ भी इसका component है. इसको बोलते हैं मिक्स्ड इनकम ऑफ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड. थर्ड वन component इज द ऑपरेटिंग सरप्लस. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जिसके लिए हमने डायरेक्ट मेहनत नहीं करी है. इसके 4 component है. फर्स्ट इज rent, second is interest, third is royalty, and the fourth one is profit. Okay, कॉर्पोरेट हो गए इसकी 4 ही. After this, we will get the net domestic product at factor cost, and this after getting this net domestic product factor cost, we will add net factor income from abroad. This is the income which is being earned by abroad, and from this we subtract the income which is being taken by the other residents, the foreigners from our country. Okay. So this is net factor income from abroad. After that, we will get the national income or the net national income at the factor cost. So try this formula and apply in your questions.